Alright guys, so I did the lift on the rear end of this now. So that is the complete lift. I used all the bolts. I used 6 bolts from the front and the back with those 3-inch spacers. They fit perfectly. We've got 2 pieces back here. You have to take this back pan right here off to get to those 2 pieces. It gaps off of here. There's no rubber sit down spot anymore here. And then you've got your 2 more spots up in here. See the block on top, another one in the very back right there, got the block on top. All that's in place and ready to go now. The original bolts on there have this little flap on them to keep it from the stud from turning. So all you gotta do is take the nuts off and get everything out of there, and then you can push the studs up out and get them out of the way. I put the studs from the bottom up on this. Put the studs from the bottom up and then put the nuts on top, and you can reach the top from inside the wheel well with a wrench, and then from the bottom, it had to be under the truck, and then these 2 from the bottom you could reach the tops. So put the nuts on top. Went together pretty smoothly. No weird fabricating type crap. Update on the interior of the front. I moved this plate back that's underneath. You can see it sticking out here a little bit. I moved it back, and then that got me to where I could be in 2 high. But if I go into 4 low and then go into reverse, it pops it out of 4 low still. So I ordered some leather boots for a Nissan that have a mounting plate underneath them, and I'm hoping that I can make that work on there. So I'll update you on that later. But you see there's like a gap where I had to slide it back and everything. Looks like crap. So that's one of the deals. I'll get into the seats I'll do another video on them and all the crap I had to go through on that. But just a quick update on the lift kit. She's looking pretty superb, personally. I think she's looking awesome. I'll put the lift kit that I used in the description below. Not a very hard job. It's pretty easy to do. I think it was for a Ford F-150 or something. Alright guys, peace.